FIFO method. The actual issue of goods is usually from the earliest lot. So first in, first out means the goods which have come in the first will go in the first. So the earlier lots have been sold, so the closing inventory or the inventory of goods on hand will consist of the latest consignments. Let's see. Suppose you purchase on December 1st, you purchase 200 units, then on December 5 you purchase 100 units, and on December 10 you purchase 150 units. So if you're following FIFO method, if you're following first in first out method, you will issue the goods, sell the goods first from this lot of 200, at whatever XYZ, whatever rate, and then you'll issue from this lot, and then you will issue from this lot. So in this order according to FIFO. Let us take an example. A Limited, a dealer in bottles, records its inventory under the FIFO method. The purchases made during the month of January are: date 1st January 2019, units 150, price per unit 10. Date 10th January 19, units 200, price per unit 20. Date 15th January 19, units 100, price per unit 15. So the total units are 450 which are purchased, and 300 units was sold during the month. So we have to find the value of closing inventory. Closing inventory would consist of 150 units. How? 450 units are purchased and 300 is sold. So 450 minus 300, this is my closing inventory. In this 150 unit, first in first out, right? So the earlier lots have already been issued. What will be left consists of the latest lots. So 100 units at 15 and 200 units, sorry, that has to be 50 units, right? Because we have 150 units only in the closing inventory. So 150 at 20. So let us write the answer. Value of 100 units at 15 rupees, 1500, 1500, and value of 50 units at 20 rupees, that is 1000 units. So total 2500 unit, 1000 amount 2500, this is the total. LIFO method. The actual issues are made out of the earliest lot on hand to prevent unnecessary deterioration in value. It is sometimes assumed that the issue to be valued is according to the price paid for the latest consignments on hand. So the actual issues are made from the earliest lot only to prevent unnecessary deterioration in value, but sometimes it is assumed that the price the goods should be valued according to the price paid for the latest consignments on hand. So naturally, if the latest consignments have been issued, then the closing inventory is assumed to consist of the earlier consignments. Let us take the same example as we had taken in FIFO, in case of FIFO. So just make it LIFO now. Last in, first out. The goods which came in the last will go in the first. That is what LIFO is. Okay. So in this case, the value of closing inventory, as we had calculated earlier, the closing inventory would consist of 450 less 300, that is 150 units. And since this is LIFO, last in first out, so the latest lots have already been issued, sold, so the closing inventory would consist of the earlier consignments. So 150 units, and earlier this is also 150 units, so that entire thing, this has to be at 10, at the rate of 10, it will be 1500, 1500. Let us write it formally. Value of closing inventory of 150 units at the rate of 10 rupees is equal to 1500. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video.